Okay, thank y'all for tuning into my channel. Cheek babes, luxe babes, and fur babies. Happy Friday. And look what we have. We have a what? Amazon Prime unboxing. So y'all see I have the 4-leaf clover. Bring it down. I have the 4-leaf clover necklace. So I wanted to get some matching earrings. I have some post earrings with the teardrop, but I wanted to get another style without the teardrop. So let's see how these look. So this is what's trending. Everyone is wearing the 4-leaf clover. And these are so cute. Okay. And y'all know me. I always wash my... Okay, y'all, I just dropped. Ready to go. I always wash my earrings, always wash my jewelry before I put it on. I always use good old Ivory soap to clean my jewelry. So we'll do that before I put it on. Okay, they look real cute. They look cute. Matching my necklace. I love it. So what do you guys think? And they give you this cloth to clean your jewelry. And what else? What else? Let's see. Just for you. Looks beautiful on you. Okay. And the name Pearl Jewelry. So yes, you can get these on Amazon. They are so cute. They are so cute. I love them. Okay, so thank you all for tuning in to my channel. You all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Bye, chick babes, luxe babes, and fur babies.